everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Bonnie, and today we're going to talk about the stuff that I brought from Amazon. It's going to be eventually the Amazon haul. This is something that I'm trying for the first time. So I thought, why not share the products that I have brought? So let's quickly get started. A quick disclaimer before we get started, I'm going to pop all the pictures right here and also going to put all the product names with the link if possible in the description box below so that it's easier for you to go access it and get the products if you really wish to buy them. Please note these are not any affiliate links or I'm not going to earn anything from it. It is just that I'm too kind and I genuinely want to share the thing that I love. So the number one product is by Nourish You, and this is their pumpkin seed, roasted pumpkin seed. This is absolutely amazing. Now this is rich in fiber, rich in protein, and also a good source of omega 6, and it is plant based obviously because it is pumpkin seeds. Now if you have been following me from a very long time, you would know that I have been put on a diet where my nuts and seeds either have to be soaked or it has to be roasted. I cannot have anything in the raw form. So this is something that my nutritionist advised me to get because it is like, high in fiber, rich in protein, and also has omega 6, which is amazing for your body, your skin, and everything. I absolutely love this. And if you're someone who really want to like much on the snack, you like munching and you really want like healthy snack, you can actually go grab this. This is amazing, a very crunchy. It is going to take a while to settle in with the taste it has, but eventually you're going to be okay. So I really love this. It's absolutely stunning. Next up is again by the brand Nourish You. Now this is their roasted sunflower seed. Now this is great for someone who really likes to munch healthy snack, or if you are in your fertility journey or if you have any hormonal issues, you can totally have sunflower seed. Make sure that you have a roasted one because it's easy for digestion. Now this is extremely great because it has good source of calcium, it also has protein, and it also is high in fiber. It's stunning, I love it. It's crunchy and it's easily digestible, so I really love this. Next up is like a toiletry bag. It's like a set of three by the brand Nestasia. Now this is something it looks like, and there is also another pouch. I'm just going to put the picture right here. I was unable to find it. I don't know. I was traveling and I put it somewhere. This is really great. By the way, I also have put like so many stuff right here inside this. Is great. It has different sizes, which I completely love. The zip right here is also very premium quality. So I absolutely love on how it feels and how much you can carry. So I've got like three different stuff. So in this, I probably carry my skincare. In another, probably I'll carry like a dental and oral care. And in one, I'll probably carry my accessories or makeup, anything. So these are like really great premium quality. I absolutely love it. I'm gonna pop a picture right here for y'all. And yes, I absolutely love how gorgeous these look, how it feels, and how premium it is, and it is extremely easy to carry. So yeah, I love these. So next up is like a storage for my makeup and for my skincare. I've got like three different sets that I had bought, which I'm going to pop obviously right here, but I'm going to show one of them, which is this one right here. This is something it looks like, and it comes in three departments. Uh, yeah, departments. So in one, I can probably keep my mascara. In one, I can probably keep my brushes or lipstick or eyeliners or anything. Is extremely handy, and it is very great, because you can access it super soon. You can find your thing super soon. Otherwise, you're just going to keep it everywhere and not going to find the product that you're looking for. So this is very, very handy. And I love how nice it is because it has like these gold thing right here. So it really, really looks, really nice, really simple, yet super classy. So I really love this. I also have brought like another two pieces, which is there in my dressing table, but I'm going to pop a picture right here. So if you're someone who really wants to organize your makeup or your skincare, you can totally check it out. Next one is like travel cube bags that I carry. So I'm someone who really like to organize my travel essential, whether it is my t-shirts or my different kind of outfits. I really want to keep it separate, my inners, my shoes and everything. So I've like brought like a set of this, which is really, really amazing. I'm going to show one of them. So this is something it looks like. So this one right here, this bag right here has like this mesh or a net like stuff that is going on. It really comes with like these zip kind of a thing. If you can see, it's a really, really great and it's so huge. So you can either keep your jeans in it or any outfits in it. You can keep a lot of stuff. So if you buy these like 7 pieces, you can store your socks, your inners, even your shoes. It also comes with a pouch which has like where you can actually store your shoes. So this is very, very handy. I have actually brought like a peach pink color for myself, and for my husband I brought like a blue color. There is also gray and black, I believe. I'm not very sure. You can go check it out. So this is extremely handy. It really keeps everything organized. You really don't want to spread your suitcase with a lot of stuff and then you just throw everything out. I really like to keep it organized, and this one right here is truly amazing. Next one is like these transparent storage boxes that I've brought specially for my fridge, where I can keep all the veggies and I can keep all my masalas and everything, because I try to keep them like in the refrigerator, especially in summers, because then there should not be like, the germs or that insects that goes inside. And when you keep your masalas inside the fridge, that has worked for me, that nothing happens and the masalas and everything like veggies are all good. I'm going to put a picture right here again. So these actually are very handy. It has like lid on top and it also has like a strainer bottom. So you can actually keep all your vegetables in there and then you can wash your vegetables and all the water is just going to drain off. So that is something I really, really love. So this is something I would highly, highly recommend. I'm going to pop again the link of the product in the description. And yes, let's move to another product. Next product I have is by Cozy Nose. Now this is like your pill medicine organizer, because these are something that you can carry when you're traveling, where you want to put your medication out there, because it comes like in these nice cubes. So you can just keep everything in there and it is just going to work for you. I was not able to get it. Let me just quickly go and check one place where if I can get it. Give me a second. Oops, I really try hard to find it, but I was not able to because we've been traveling and I've been carrying it. I really don't know in which suitcase I put that in. But I'm going to pop a picture right here for your reference. It's really handy. It doesn't open automatically. It's very intact, and that is something I absolutely love. You can put all of your different kind of medication there, or your emergency pills or something that you consume on a regular basis, and just put it in your handbag or in your bag, and that's about it. Extremely compact and extremely beautiful. So I really, really love this product. Next product I have is from Nua. Now this is their ultra safe night pads, and this is 100% toxic free. This is something it looks like, and I absolutely, absolutely love this product. This I think retails for, I don't have a price right here, but I'm going to pop that any which ways somewhere here. It's extremely, extremely beautiful. It is very gentle. Uh, it doesn't make your vagina area, very sensitive or very itchy or nothing sort of that. I recently bought this. Like I've been using this from like past 2 or 3 periods, I think from January, and this has been like absolutely stunning. I really love how soft it is, how gentle it is, and it doesn't feel itchy. So that's the plus point. It actually says made safe, toxic free. dermatologically tested and cruelty free certified. So this is something that I absolutely love. If you're someone who really wants something which is toxic free, you really need something, which is very gentle, you can really try this out. It's a great pad, so I would highly recommend that. So the next product that I have is by River Soft, and this is an amazing shower holder which actually converts your hard water into soft water, and the damage is going to be super less. So I really love it. So this is something it looks like. I'm going to pop it here. It has really helped me with my hair, with the hair fall and everything. So I absolutely love it. And another product is by Water Science. Now I have a product from here which again looks something like this, which is for the tap. So if I've actually have like two water softener, if I may say so. One is for the shower, which is by River Soft, and another one is from Water Science, which I use actually for the tap, so that I don't get in contact with hard water, because it really makes the skin super dry and itchy. And these two products have really helped me. So I would highly recommend, if you are someone who is actually looking for a water softener or uh, a product in terms of that, you can surely try this out. The next one is like two book recommendation. One is like very romantic, another one is all about spirituality. So the number one book that I've already finished and I've already spoken about is Too Good to Be True by Prajakta Kohli. It is such a wonderful, a light hard book which I really loved. So I've also like given like a review. Probably I can pop it right here or in the description box below if you really want to go and read about the review that I've given about the book. I really liked the book, to be very honest. And the next book recommendation, or something that I'm currently reading, is by Joe Dispenza, which is Becoming Supernatural. It is a very very heavy book, to be very honest. But I've bought the book. I am on it. I actually bought this like few months back, but it's so huge. Let me show it to you. This is something it looks like. It's so huge, and it has like, I don't know if they've given like a page number. Yes, they have. And it has about 347 pages, and I am still on 71. Dekh lo. It is a very heavy book. Sometimes you really don't understand what actually is written in it. But when you actually sit down, read it ekdam aram se, you will really understand. And it's such a beautiful book, and it is a life changing book. So you really have to be slow, that's fine, but read it. It's absolutely great. And if you're someone who have just learned or heard about spirituality, about manifestation, you can actually also try your hands on the law of attraction. Again, this is something that I bought from Amazon. This is by Mitesh and Indu Khatri. I really love the fact how simple they have kept. It's very easy to read. I actually completed this book less than a week, because it is such a good book. You will really understand. I really love the fact how beautifully they have put the concept of FTBA, which is feeling, thoughts, belief, and action. I really love this book. So if you're someone who just started, you can actually try this. And if you're someone who really want to go in deep about spirituality, manifestation, visualization, you can get your hands on this book right here. It's really amazing. So yes, that was my Amazon haul. I really hope you liked it. If you really want to see more of these hauls in the coming videos, pop that in the comment section below, and I would do that again, because it was really fun to do something very different apart from the skincare and the regular videos that I create. So yes, with that, thank you so much again, and you know the drill. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye. Love.